Hi guys, it's Barry and DR, and we want to just take a moment to thank you guys for all these wonderful questions. A bit overwhelming, but we are so happy that it's really being accepted by a large amount of the population. And of course, we're always saying DR is not the only place to consider. It's just a place that works for us and a bunch of the people that we've relocated down here. We thought the only way to best spread out the answers to these questions, due to the volume of members that have signed up, would be to do a series of YouTubes. And we're going to touch base on that now. Folks, we're getting an awful lot of questions regarding immigration. Now, first and foremost, none of us in the DR Escapes teams are immigration experts in any way, shape, or form. Even though we've been through it ourselves, it was on a personal basis. People that we've relocated, friends, family, that's always been on a personal basis. The firm that we use for handling immigration, one of the partners is who we deal with direct. Dr. Brea will not be back in the country until, I think it's about 5-6 days from now. I did text him on his holiday. He was gracious enough to answer me saying to hang on. He's booked an appointment with me the day he returns, and we're going to sit down and devise a plan that's going to help the mass of people that are interested in this. It'll be done through blitz mailing. We'll arrange appointments. But before we get ahead of the game, guys, we're really glad you're interested in what we have to say, but please understand this with all sincerity. Nothing matters until you come here and look at this area of the DR. Take a tour. Actually, we have a full tour next week that's already quite booked up, and I'll be spotting next week and getting back to you because I will be on that tour myself. I'll be handling that one. But honestly, none of the rest of it really matters until you come here and your family decides, wow, I like it here, or hey, this place is great, but it's not for me. And either way is fine with us. But if you see what I'm saying, there's no point in putting the cart before the horse, worrying about immigration, worrying about is there jobs, worrying about hurricanes, worrying about all the questions we're getting at. If you come here and you find out that this place is not for you, then by all means start, and we've encouraged from day one, check out several places. We also want you to understand, for immigration, you're going to be dealing with a professional. If this place is right for you, we're going to, on our tour, and be introducing you to several people, both local and expat, and as well, we are also, if you're interested, going to be showing you around various unadvertised real estate for sale. We do sell real estate, so does everybody in this country. From every waiter, waitress, bus driver, nightclub worker, hotel, maid, bartender, anyone you want to imagine. Because in this country, there is no license required. There is no test to pass like in Canada and America. So everybody is trying to sell you everything. That is part of the Caribbean. That's part of every Caribbean island you're going to be on. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, I do want to address some of these questions, but the answers are going to be general. Each person is in a different circumstance, and I'm sure that makes a lot of sense. So there's no one answer that fits all. That's just impossible for us to achieve. But what I would like to suggest is, again, I'm reiterating again, about none of this matters until you come out here and you decide, does this place work for my family? Okay?